Hello, I'm Rohit. My topic is personalized information retrieval system. Introduction: The size and pace of growth. The size and pace of growth worldwide body available information in a text, uh, digital format constitute a permanent challenges for content retrieval technology. In environment lacking a global organization with decentralized content provision, dynamics network, etc. Personalized content access aims at enhancing the information retrieval process by complementing explicit user requests with implicit user preferences to better meet individual user needs. The notion of context. In order to address some of the limitation of classic personalized systems, researchers have looked to the new emerging area defined by the so-called context-aware system. The effective use of context information in a computing application remains still an open and challenging problem. Context-sensitive retrieval has been identified as a major challenges in AI research. Personalized in a context. Personalization in a context. The idea of contextual personalization purpose and development respond to the fact that human preferences are multiple, heterogeneous, changing, even contradictory, and should be understood in a context with the user goals and tasks at hand. Context is a difficult notion to grasp and capture in a software system. The latter form a part of general context suitable for analysis in personalization and can be defined as background themes under which user activities occur within a given unit of time. Underlying personalization framework. Contextual model presented here builds upon ontology-based personalization framework developed in a S-Medial project. The S-Media personalization system makes use of conceptual user profiles corresponding to the intensity of user interest for each concept in an ontology. Building a dynamic retrieval context. The model defined in the previous section is now particularized content in a retrieval as follows. In our approach, C is built as cumulative combination of the concept involved in a successive user request in a such a way that the importance of concept fades away with time. In this case, the concept can be extracted from natural language or keyword-based query using state-of-the-art information extraction technique. Contextual preference activation. Once a representation of general user preference and live context are available, the selective activation of user preference is based on finding semantic paths between preference and context concept. It is a contextual activation of semantic user preference. Conclusion: context is an increasingly common notion in the information retrieval system. This is not surprising. It has been long acknowledged that the whole notion of relevance at the core of information retrieval is strongly dependent on context. In fact, it can hardly make sense out of it. Several authors in the information retrieval fields have explored approaches that are similar to ours in that they find indirect evidence of searcher interest by extracting implicit meanings in an information object manipulated by users in their retrieval task. Thank you.